So here's my filing cabinet evaporator firebox system. I'm getting ready to cut this end section off. Down here is 8 inches and it tapers to 6. This whole thing is flipped over, so right now you're looking at the bottom. This is 25 inches by about, I think, 26 and a half. So this is a pretty big filing cabinet. We're gonna try it this season to boil down our sap. Here's all the drawers I pulled out from the other side, so hopefully it turns out somewhat decent. So I just took the bottom and it actually fit just perfect because of the way this flange was. Just wrapped that flange and then I put some sheet metal screws in about every 6 or 8 inches. So I got a couple more to finish up, and then I'm gonna put the, this is gonna be the back of the firebox. And then I'm gonna put a HVAC boot on that. And then I have to take the smoke out the back. Manufacture the back of the firebox right here. So I got it notched right there. I'm gonna fold this section down, and that's what I'm gonna screw to the side of the other part of the firebox. Same here, I've got it notched right there. Then I notch this corner in, and I notch that corner in just a little bit. So this will be one of the panels that is going to be adhered to the bottom. We have it all screwed together now. Turned out pretty good. Now I just need to make the tray, and I'm thinking I need some type of a leg here probably. Oh, I've got to cut a door in the front too. This is going to be where I need to cut a door in here, and that's where you're going to be able to insert your wood. What I finished doing was kind of insulating the firebox with this durarock cement board. So I'm hoping that will retain the heat inside there and not burn up this thin metal. Put a piece on the bottom and on the sides as best I could, just kind of fit it in there. I didn't hit every little inch, but I think this will make it a lot better. So I still have some modifying to do on the evaporation tray here, but I had these 6 warming pans. They fit decent, but there's a lot of smoke coming up because it's not exactly tight. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is actually build an evaporator pan to the way I want it. So, but it's starting to boil there. Got a pretty good boiling going in the center tray.